Hooray, number 27, finally. Welcome back to Super Buddies Forever and another dorm room tour and bed tutorial. I sound really corny because I was trying really hard to remember how to say that again, because it's been almost a year since we've done another one. Oh, how life can get in your way, but thankfully everything is good. I'm back on a roll. So it's Lizzie Hearts. Whoa. Let me tell you, I had a lot of the ideas for her bed and how I wanted it to be, because she is not only just a royal but a queen. And I had ideas for how I wanted to make her bed happen and her chair, and it was just kind of in the back of my head and I didn't quite know how to pull it off, and time gave me a chance to figure it out. So in my case, being now fresh and healthy, I feel like I got everything out of this room that I wanted, and with my full energy, and that's pleasing to me. So let's go over that and move to the future, or move to the present day. This room is fantastic. I love it. It's typical Queen of Hearts theme with a little bit of spin. Let's get her, the beauty, out of here and look at more of this bed. I loved making this bed. You will see in the tutorial part at the end that it is paper mache and other stuff. All the Wonderland ones I've done with the smaller beds, and I'm kind of going for a platform thing, if you haven't caught that yet. And I just like it. I think I pulled together things. Now, I wanted her to be, I'm sorry, oops. I'm lacking in much up here for her shelf because she already seems to have so much and I just don't have anything here to use. So I've made do with what I have and had fun with it. So where was I? I don't know. I got shelves back here that I can put more on as time moves on. I got the double-sided pillows happening, so I can definitely change that around. This is padded back here. I love that. This is not double-sided just because it's so beautiful. I don't ever want to change it. That fabric was key. Have I pulled back and showed it all to you? In the box, because it is a box room. There it is, just in case. Talk about being all over the place. Okay, so let's go over here. I was saying that I wanted it symmetrical, but then I wanted it random, as Wonderland tends to be, and I'm calling this Wonderland Gold, you know, because it's red, and the technique I used to get the color instead of just plain red, I'm really happy with. This was the little ottoman, which comes with a top, but I used the top to make the little pet bed for this awesome thing here, which I've forgotten the hedgehog's name. Oh well, what am I gonna do? The chair is from my old bad habits, little boxes. You'll see that. I'm glad I kept those around for using. And I am super happy with the way her chair turned out, her throne chair, as with all the others. Lots of cards, but not like, I don't know. I feel like I put this together in such a way that it's a lot of red on red, but got broken up enough with the card theme and the Queen of Hearts theme together, as would be in Wonderland, besides enjoying the plaid, which I like. So don't forget to watch the full tour of her roommate, which is Duchess, and I won't swirl around to too many because quickly I have a lot of dusting. This is how long it's been. Look at all that dust. Someday. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Let's have a quick shout out moment for Tanja TR. Thanks for being part of the SBF family.